Hello everyone. Today let us read about chapter 10, that is Fundamental Duties from Lakshmikant Indian Polity. Actually, original constitution did not contain fundamental duties. So, in the year 1976, fundamental duties were added, that is by the Constitutional Amendment Act of 42nd, that is 42nd Constitutional Amendment 1976 added fundamental duties. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976 is very important because many changes were made through this constitution. Hence, this Constitutional Amendment Act is also called as mini constitution. In the year 1976, Congress party set up a committee which is known as Swaran Singh Committee to make the recommendations about fundamental duties should be included in the constitution or not. So, the Sardar Swaran Singh Committee, this committee recommended inclusion of separate chapter. That means this committee said that there is necessary of fundamental duties in our constitution. And also recently in the year 2002 through 86th Constitutional Amendment Act, one more fundamental duty was added. Therefore, we can say that the fundamental duties were not there in our original constitution, and these fundamental duties were added to the constitution by two times, that is by two constitutional amendment acts. One is 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976 and another 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. So now it is clear that the fundamental duties were added by 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act mostly, and one through 86th Constitutional Amendment Act. So now we should know that 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976 added Part 4A to the Constitution, and this Part 4A contains only one article, that is 51A. And also we have to understand that the Swaran Singh Committee, which was put by the Congress government in the year 1976, it recommended for the inclusion of 8 fundamental duties in the Constitution. But through 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976, we have included 10 fundamental duties. So, many of us will be having a doubt that after recommendation by the Swaran Singh Committee, did the government accepted all the recommendations or not? Actually, Swaran Singh Committee recommended many other fundamental duties also, but the Congress party did not accept many of the fundamental duties, hence it did not include them in the constitution. Few of the fundamental duties which were not accepted by the Congress party are it recommended that we have to give punishment for those who are not following or obeying these duties, but the Congress government or our government did not include that fundamental duty in the constitution. One more duty which was not accepted by the Congress government was the Swaran Singh Committee recommended that duty to pay taxes should also be considered as fundamental duty, but the government did not accept it as fundamental duty.